What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another Sunday breakdown. So it's been a week since we transitioned to TradingView. So this is my profile on TradingView. So if you wanna see all the trades that we have, like you wanna play out and see like how they're gonna play, and maybe if you wanna like and comment, you can just go on TradingView, just search for my name, you will see this profile. Then you can see all the trades that we are currently looking at this week. So these are all the trades that we are looking at this week. So I'm gonna start with gold, just to show you. So yesterday I did a trade review. So on all the trades that we did on TradingView, so we ended up looking at these where, so like gold, I actually talked about like what was the mistake that I made when I was actually looking at gold. So you're gonna see like this is a rectification. Price is was supposed to move in ascending channel. I only saw a penny triangle. So this was the first um, analysis, penny triangle, price moving like this. Then it was supposed to break above, then going to the upside. We didn't take into consideration that we have a low high here, then a high over this area. Then we didn't take into consideration this support that was now here acting as support also on this descending channel that is moving towards the resistance. So around Thursday, that's when I can actually that's when I can actually look for a buy over this area going to the upside. So this is a high probability setup, descending channel towards the resistance. So make sure that you hop in like around Wednesday or Thursday. Probably maybe that's when you'll see price moving to the upside. It's gonna be Aussie USD. So Aussie USD actually did like a proper analysis last week. It actually played well. So I'm actually gonna play you the analysis that we had last week. Then I'm gonna show you how it's gonna go again this week. So this week what we are looking for is for price to consolidate over this area, make one more move to the downside, then we can actually go back to the upside, because this is a channel that we have. So like last week I didn't analyze it as a ascending channel. So I analyzed it from this area going to this area, then we had an ascending channel from this. So I'm just going to show you just in a minute. Last week, so like that was 23. So as you can see, this was the low, the lower high a bit. Then we had this upper part. So this is the upper part of the channel that we have on the current analysis. Then we had this ascending channel. So we are supposed to continue down to this area, and you see how it actually played. And so price just continues to the downside, and it even exceeded. That's why I had to analyze it again and see like, is it gonna go to the upside or is it gonna continue the downside? So we're gonna see a little bit consolidation, then we can actually continue to the side. So this is the current analysis. So consolidation or a little bit pullback, then you can see price moving to the downside, then we can actually continue. So that's pretty much it for Aussie US. Third pair is gonna be GBP USD. So GBP USD, last week we didn't trade it. We actually traded other pairs like Aussie USD. I think GBP Aussie also we did trade that, and Euro GBP. So this is the current trade, and price is actually moving in a descending channel over this area. Then we have a small descending channel again inside the descending channel. So what I'm hoping for is price to test this resistance over this area. So this resistance, then prices to move a little bit slower, I think, going to the upside. Then we're gonna wait for consolidation, then we can actually shoot up straight to this area. So pretty much you might not get this consolidation, so you just have to make sure that if you take this trade and you wanna hit this profit target, make sure you're trailing your stop loss, so you can actually move your stop loss into like following your price. So that's pretty much it for GPP. It's not really much, but you just have to take into consideration this channels. That's all. Gonna be GPP Swiss franc. So GBP Swiss franc had two variations. So the other variation I didn't take into consideration was I saw this is more reliable than the other one. So as you can see, this can be considered as a descending channel. So if I can draw a line from this area going to the downside, a line from this area going to the downside, you see you can actually get price moving into a descending channel over this area. So a descending channel can be formed here, but like this, I actually saw this more as a reliable uh, is a more reliable analysis. So you see price can move to the upside. Now this is the touch over this area price, so prices to move only one more time to the downside. So you'll see a little bit of consolidation. It's just like if I click onto the profit target, it will show me the percentage that I have to get. So as you can see, that blue consolidation over that area, over the red line, then you can actually continue to the downside, and from there you can actually move to the upside. Consolidation, then we continue with price moving to the upside. So that was pretty much it. For didn't have really much, but like you can actually have two variations. So if in this case I see that the descending channel is more reliable, I'll just post it again, and you can actually see it in the WhatsApp group. Last pay, it's gonna be Aussie Swiss franc. So once the Swiss franc, we had a channel at first. So like if you saw the first analysis in our WhatsApp group, so this is the resistance that we have. So a straight line. This one is a little bit sloppy, the red one. Then the more like blue one is the end. So it had like a first bottom here, second bottom. So this is gonna be the third bottom if price reaches that blue line. That's why I had to put my stop loss a little bit far from that area. So the first trade, you took it from here, then price just went up and came back down. So if you saw the first analysis, price was supposed to move just straight up from this area. Here it was supposed to have a little bit of consultation, and we can continue to the upside, reach our target, but it didn't. So I made the second analysis over this area you see. So the second analysis, a descending channel, same as what was happening here, same area, same resistance, though this is a double resistance. So you can see price um, getting to test this two resistance, then from there you can actually move to the upside. So this is just a high probability market structure. So I'm just gonna put again a link on the high probability market structures. If you want to understand more about the high probability market structures, you can just click on the link below and you can actually watch it. There is USDcad. So USDcad, the first analysis was something like on the 25th, I think. Yeah. So on the 25th, we did the first analysis, and a short case like this consolidation. Now, like this consolidation, just high probability market structure. Like if you have watched market structure, you know that price is to move to the upside after having a consolidation like this. So price shot up, and it actually went up. So you see, if I play it for you, um, just a minute, then you see here, boom boom, price actually reached here, then it came back. So this is just a retest. Right now you're gonna see a retrace over this area, then we can actually continue to the upside. So, and I actually put this again on the 26th of July. So 26th of July, after prices showed up and it was suspended above this that's now support, I actually said price is just gonna move again, because this is forming a pennant triangle. So if you put a lower trend line here, you can see a pennant triangle forming up. So you can just know that price is to shoot up from there. Then if I play the bars again, it's just gonna show you the same results as the first one. So you're gonna see price moving to the upside. Ended here, came back to retest, and gonna continue to the upside. So that was pretty much for USD CAD, not much. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please put a thumbs up if you like this video, and if it's gonna be helpful, just subscribe to the channel. You can see more of this video, and tomorrow, yes, we are actually posting another video. So for all the new people in forex, I will be making a video on technical analysis. So what does it mean to be a technical analyzer? So that's pretty much it, guys. Cheers.